Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study at home without getting distracted. First, create a dedicated study zone. Choose a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure your area is well lit and comfortable, perhaps near a window for natural light. Clear your desk of anything not related to your studies, like snacks or entertainment. Also, let your family or housemates know your study schedule to minimize unexpected disturbances. This simple setup makes a huge difference. Next, let's tackle digital distractions. Turn off all notifications on your phone, tablet, and computer to avoid constant pings. Consider using website blockers for social media and entertainment sites during your study hours. A great tip is to place your phone in another room or out of reach entirely. If possible, use a separate device just for your study tasks to keep your personal and academic lives distinct. These steps significantly reduce the urge to check your devices. Effective time management is crucial for sustained focus. Try breaking your study sessions into manageable 25-minute blocks, a technique known as the Pomodoro technique. After each block, take a short 5-minute break to rest your mind. Before you begin, plan your study tasks for the day in advance, perhaps writing them down. Prioritize your most challenging subjects first when your energy levels are highest. This structured approach helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. Finally, let's talk about sustaining your focus and motivation. Set clear, achievable goals for each study session, like completing a specific chapter or solving 10 problems. Reward yourself with a small treat, such as a favorite snack or a few minutes of a fun activity after completing your planned tasks. Remember to stay hydrated and take short stretching breaks to keep your body and mind refreshed. Regularly review your progress to see how far you've come, which boosts your momentum.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.